Assalamu alaikum class 3. Hope you will be fine beta. Today our lesson is listening, speaking and composition. First you will listen. I'll uh, I'll tell you a paragraph about the moon. As you see the picture moon. Okay, listen carefully and then you have to write complete these answer according to the questions. Okay, so first listen and complete the short question and answers. So listen the paragraph. The moon is a huge rock in the sky. It is the shape of a ball. It is a satellite because it orbits the Earth every 28 Earth days. A bright round moon is called a full moon, and a thin curved moon is called a crescent moon. It gives out light because it reflects the light of the sun. Okay, so I again repeat these sentences according to this moon. The moon is a huge rock in the sky. It is the shape of a ball. It is a satellite because it orbits the Earth every 28th Earth day. A bright round moon is called a full moon, and a thin curved moon is called a crescent moon. It gives out light because it reflects the light of the sun. So after listening, you have to complete these answers. What is the moon? A huge rock in the sky. What shape is it? The shape of a moon is, what is the shape of moon as you have listened? Shape of a ball. Okay, after listening you have to complete all these answers. Okay, and then after writing these question answers, by help of that question answers you have to complete this paragraph. A moon is a huge rock in the sky. It is the shape of a ball. It is dash because it orbits the dash every dash Earth day. As you remember, I have told you all this paragraph in listening. You listen that and then you will complete this composition. Okay, so, after completing this information about the moon, then you will come forward, write a paragraph about the planet Mars. Use the information below. As you see, all the answers are already given to you. What is the Mars? Mars is a planet in the solar system. Its color is red. It's a planet. It's a planet because it revolves around the sun. Okay, in the solar system, what is a planet? A planet is something that orbits the sun. How long is one orbit of Mars? Its information is here, 687 Earth days. Okay, how does it give out light? As you see, or by using these answers you will write a complete paragraph. Okay, so your composition, today's composition, you will write a paragraph about planet Mars on your notebook. Okay student, is it clear now? Allah Hafiz.